Class, very good morning to all. Today we have a topic communications. कम्युनिकेशन को हिंदी में वार्तालाप कहते हैं। हम अपनी लैंग्वेज से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। तो कम्युनिकेट किस किस कितने प्रकार का होता है और कैसे कैसे होता है इस अध्याय में हम जानेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। हियर वी विल लर्न अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशंस. वी विल फोकस ऑन द फेरास, practical and listen the overcome the filters, the barriers, communication process and practical active listening. Okay, move on now. Okay, here we have a question. Need of communications. Why we need communications? On a daily basis we work with people who have different opinions, values, beliefs and need they are own. Our ability to excuse idea with others, understand others perspectives, solve problems will depend significantly on how effectively we are able to communicate with others. हम अपने आसपास लोगों के साथ रहते हैं जिनके पास डिफरेंट थिंकिंग और अपनी अपनी राय होती है और अपने अपने विचार होते हैं। वो सब विचार एक दूसरे से व्यक्त करने का जो माध्यम होता है उसे कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं। अब कम्युनिकेशन डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं। Let's move on to the definition of communication. What is communication? Communication is the part of transmitting information, ideas and attitudes from one person to another. Communication is the process of meaningful interaction among human beings. Communication एक कला है अपने विचारों को, सूचनाओं को, अपने एटीट्यूड्स को एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन में पहुंचाने का। और ये सब कम्युनिकेशन सिर्फ इंसानों में ही होता है जो कि कई प्रकार के होते हैं। नाउ इट्स एसेंशियल्स, पर्सनल प्रोसेस, अक्रेंस बिटवीन पीपल, मीन्स टू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर्स, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ थॉट्स एंड इमोशंस थ्रू वर्ड्स एंड एक्शन. Now move on to the next slide. Now here the types of communications. What are the most common ways we communicate? हम किस प्रकार से communicate करते हैं? Spoken word, written word, visual images and body language. There are both basic 4 types of communication we have. If we talk about the forms of communication, we have 2 types of forms are there in the communication. First is called verbal communication, second is non-verbal communications. वर्बल कम्युनिकेशंस वो होते हैं जिसमें आम चाल में हम व्यक्त करते हैं, बोल चाल में व्यक्त करते हैं. दैट्स आर कॉल्ड ऑरल कम्युनिकेशन, फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन, पब्लिक स्पीच, टेलीफोन, इंटरव्यूज, मीटिंग्स. Verbal communication can also be as we can say written communications, letter, memo, notice, circular, report, minutes, email and SMS. Verbal communications में written और oral दोनों प्रकार के आ जाते हैं. Let's move on to the non-verbal communication. Now, non-verbal communications, visual, pictorial, symbols, posters, graphs and charts, sign and signals. That all are called non-verbal communication. इसके द्वारा हम चीज़ों को दिखा के, दर्शा के व्यक्त करते हैं. आपने देखे होंगे सिग्नल्स पे कई प्रकार के साइन बोर्ड्स बड़े रखे होते हैं, एरो साइन होते हैं. ये सब नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशंस में आते हैं जो कि बोले नहीं जाते हैं लेकिन डायग्राम चित्रों से व्यक्त किए जा सकते हैं. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन बेसिक आर विच हैव नो वर्ड्स बट दे प्रिटेंड देयर प्रेजेंस. वो बताते हैं और सूचनाएं प्रदान करते हैं. दैट आर कॉल्ड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. इसके अंतर्गत वी हैव oral, drum beats, siren, whistle, horn, buzzers and bell. They don't have a meaning but they pretend they are served. They actually have a sign. अब एम्बुलेंस की आवाज़ हमें आती है, we understand that is something emergency. So it's a non-verbal communications. It is totally it's a oral communications. Move on to the next slide now. Now let's understand the diagram of communications. First, sender send the information and there is a medium. What is a medium? Is a verbal or non-verbal? And then receiver has received the informations and then give the feedback. That the all process comes into the communications. Then what is an essentials of communication? A common communications environment, cooperation between the sender and the receiver, selection of an appropriate channel, correct encoding and decoding of the message, receive of the desired response and feedback, that are essentials of communications. Now here we understand the barriers of communication. Very, the communication should not be very noisy, it should not be inappropriate medium, it should not be assumption and misconceptions. And language differences, poor listening skills. There are the barriers of communications. Now that is the essentials of communication. What to does? Please read carefully. What we have to does, we have to follow while have a environmental, good, healthy conversation. We have to apply some important tips. Move on to the next topic. What does not essential of communication don't we have to use? Do not instantly react and mutter something in anger. Do not use technical terms and terminologies understood by majority of peoples. Do not speak too fast or too slow. Do not speak in audible surroundings as you won't be heard. Do not assume that everybody understands you. While listening, do not glance here and there as it might distract the speaker. Do not interrupt the speaker. That is the essentials of communication. Don't. And there are some tips to improve your communications. Improve language, improve pronunciations, work on voice modulation, work on body language, read more, listen more, avoid reading or watching, listening, unwanted, literature, gossips, medium. Next, interact with qualitative pupils. Improve on your topic of discussion. These are some main points. Then how to improve existing level of communication? I hope you will follow. In the non-verbal communication, there are some tips to improve your body language also. Keep appropriate distance, take care of your appearance, be aware people may give false cause. Next, maintain eye contact. It is very essential and very important you to when you have your body language is pretend your body language while you conversations you have to maintain eye contact while talking and also smile generously. And that is an important topic of communications. So if you have a question, write down in the comment below section. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like the video. See you in the next topic.